the 92 Civic, the B18C on board, your number 22 qualifier, but out there in the left-hand lane, Patrick Estevez Jr., the 2013 Mustang owned by Charlie Barnes, JPC Racing on board, a Coyote motor, single turbo, Eric Holiday tuning it up. The Maryland boys are in the house. They were the first ones to run sevens, slightly ahead of the guy who went into the sevens faster, but they went seven faster, or first. So the first 7 seconds run of the weekend here in Real Street Super Street. They're currently number 6 with a 799. I told Eric, go get a bigger hammer, hit it harder. They were trying to sneak into the sevens without blowing the doors off the sevens, and 5 or 6 other guys did. So Eric said, well, now's our turn. So let's see if they got it wicked up. And let's see if Waleed can get out of that bottom half of the field to jump into the top 16 in qualifying. They're both in the field pretty safe at the moment.
Outside, inside.